Understanding Get Tutored, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to today's lesson. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, get tutored. This is a common expression in English, and understanding it can really help in both academic and everyday contexts. Get tutored essentially means receiving guidance or instruction from a tutor. A tutor is someone who provides extra teaching, often one-on-one, to help a student understand a subject better. This phrase is commonly used in educational settings. You might use get tutored when talking about improving academic performance. If you're struggling in a subject, getting tutored can help improve your grades. Learning a new skill. Tutors aren't just for academic subjects. They can also help with learning things like musical instruments or a new language. Preparation for exams. Many students get tutored to prepare for important tests or exams. Let's look at some examples. 1. I decided to get tutored in math to improve my grades. 2. She gets tutored in Spanish twice a week. 3. Many students get tutored before their SAT exams. If you're interested in getting tutored, there are several ways. School programs. Many schools offer tutoring services. Private tutors. You can find tutors who specialize in various subjects. Online platforms. Websites and apps can connect you with tutors worldwide. I hope this video helps you understand what get tutored means and how you can use this phrase in your English conversations. Remember, getting tutored can be a great way to learn and improve in any subject. Happy learning, and see you in our next lesson.